In cuisine, crab meat is considered a high-end seafood and is rich in nutrients such as protein, vitamins, and minerals. Crab meat has a rich flavor, sweet meat, and is a popular ingredient in many dishes. In this essay, we will explore the dishes made from crab meat and how to calculate calories in each dish. Grilled crab. Grilled crab is a popular dish prepared by grilling the crab meat with spices such as garlic, chili, butter, and other spices. To calculate the calories in this dish, you need to know the weight of the crab meat and the amount of spices used. For example, a serving of grilled crab weighing 200 grams can contain around 200 to 250 calories. Crab fried rice. Crab fried rice is a delicious and flavorful dish made with crab meat, rice, vegetables, and spices such as garlic, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. To calculate the calories in this dish, you need to know the weight of the crab meat, rice, and vegetables, as well as the amount of oil and spices used. For example, a serving of crab fried rice weighing 200 grams can contain around 350 to 400 calories. Steamed crab. Steamed crab is a simple and healthy dish made by steaming the crab meat with vegetables and spices such as ginger and green onion. To calculate the calories in this dish, you need to know the weight of the crab meat and vegetables used. For example, a serving of steamed crab weighing 200 grams can contain around 100 to 150 calories. Crab soup. Crab soup is a hearty and flavorful dish made with crab meat, vegetables, and spices such as garlic, ginger, and chili. To calculate the calories in this dish, you need to know the weight of the crab meat and vegetables used. For example, a serving of crab soup weighing 200 grams can contain around 150 to 200 calories. Crab cakes. Crab cakes are a popular dish made with crab meat, breadcrumbs, spices, and herbs. To calculate the calories in this dish, you need to know the weight of the crab meat, breadcrumbs, and other ingredients used. For example, a serving of crab cakes weighing 200 grams can contain around 250 to 300 calories. It is important to note that the calorie content of these dishes can vary depending on the preparation method and ingredients used, so it is always best to check the nutrition information for the specific dish you are consuming. Additionally, the preparation method can also impact the nutritional value of the dish, so choosing healthier cooking methods such as steaming or grilling can help reduce the calorie content.